And your name is? Can I get your name, please? Could I get your full name? Could you all introduce yourselves? Could you please give me the name? Do you have a name I should know? How may I address you? I didn't quite get your name earlier. I don't think we've met. I'm Mark. I'm Mark. And you are? I'm Mark. And you must be? I'm sorry. I didn't catch your name. I'm terrible with names, so I have to ask. I've seen you here before. I'm Mark. What's your name? May I ask who I'm speaking with? May I have your full name? May I have your name, please? What do I call you? What should I call you? What's your name? With whom do I have the pleasure of speaking? You look familiar, but I don't think we've met. I'm Mark. Excuse me. Could you tell me your name, please? I'm Mark. And you are? Might I ask who I'm speaking with? Hello, is this Mark? Who am I speaking with, please? What should I call you? I'm so sorry. What was your name again? This is embarrassing, but I've completely blanked on your name. We met last week, right? Remind me of your name. Your name is on the tip of my tongue. Do you have a name, or can I just call you mine?